Greetings from Monarch Networth Capital Limited. I am Jignesh Pandya, Senior Research Analyst from Equity Research Team. For the week gone by, Nifty 50 traded in a narrow range for the week and closed with 1.39% minor gain at 17,917 level. Banking index slightly underperformed the benchmark index as it closed with 1.17% gain and at 39,574 level. Among the Nifty constituents, Larsen & Toubro and Eicher Motor closed with 8.04% and 7.12% gains, while ICICI Bank and Reliance were the laggards as they closed with 2.49% and 1.46% cut respectively. Among the Bank Nifty constituents, SBI outperformed the banking index as it closed with 5.67% gain. Among sectors, Realty and PSU Bank index performed better as they closed the week with 9.82% and 4.53% gains respectively. Volatility index, that is India VIX, closed with 9.64% cut at 15.75 level. FII were net sellers during the week as they sold equities worth 358 crore while DII were net buyers during the week as they bought equities worth 306 crore in cash segment. Globally, equity markets closed higher during the week as US market, that is Dow Jones Industrial Average, and European market, that is DAX, closed with 1.42% and 3.31% gains respectively. Weekly technical outlook on Nifty. Benchmark index traded in a narrow range and closed with small bullish candlestick formation in the last week. Index is likely to consolidate in a broad range with 18,050 acting as immediate resistance level. Benchmark index has support at 17,650 followed by 17,500 level and resistance at 18,200 followed by 18,350 level. Weekly technical outlook on Bank Nifty. Banking index traded volatile and closed with doji candlestick formation. Similar to Nifty, banking index is likely to trade range bound with volatile price action. Banking index has support at 39,000 followed by 38,500 and resistance at 40,200 followed by 40,800 level. We are sure that this brief analysis will help you in taking an investment decision. Thank you for your patient hearing. Happy investing.